Hi, Lion Cubs. It's Mr. Flores, and it's time for science. So today we're gonna make a lava lamp, a bubbling lava lamp this time. I know kids in my class we've made lava lamps before, but now we're gonna make them bubble. First thing we need, I'm gonna use a jar. You can use a glass, regular drinking glass, or water bottle. I just thought I'd go a little bigger today. First thing we're gonna do, let's pour some water in. About a quarter of the way, a little less than half, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna mix in some vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil, baby oil, mineral oil, and we're gonna pour it in. Now, last week we were talking about density, and density is when there's an object, like we had the egg, and it has weight. We found out the egg was more dense than water. And what happened when we put the eggs down into the glass of water? It sank right down to the bottom, right? And what did we have to do to make the water more dense? We had to add salt, right? The salt came in, it mixed with the water, went shh. And then as you drop the egg in, the egg wasn't going to sink. So the water was more dense. I poured water here, and then I poured oil. If we look at these two, which is more dense? Which would you say is heavier? Take a look. Right, the water is more dense than the oil. And that means the oil is lighter. Because if you look, the oil is resting on top of the water. They're not mixing. Let's see if we can get over there, see? Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to add food coloring. I'm going to go green this time. I know I usually use a lot of blue, but let's do green. So we're going to put some green in there. Watch the bubbles go down. We have some green food coloring in there. Let's get a little more in there just because. Okay. So I've got my green in there now. And then I'm going to put in, I kind of broke them up already. It's an AlkaSeltzer tablet. And what an AlkaSeltzer tablet is, your parents may take it when they have a stomach ache, they drop it. It's a little circle, and my circle broke. They drop it into some water and it bubbles up, and they drink it, and in a couple hours they feel better, their stomach feels better. So I already broke it up, and we're gonna put them in here. And let's watch a reaction. Look at what's happening now. We're now making bubbles. And if you can see, those bubbles are going up. And when the water reacts with the AlkaSeltzer, it's creating carbon dioxide gas. So look at those bubbles start to go. Look, we got a couple of bubbles sitting there on the oil too. So what we're finding out right now is carbon dioxide gas is less dense than water. Oh, and then we're starting to see green bubbles go up. Look at that. Let's see, let's put a couple more in. I have a few more pieces here. We'll move it back just so you can see. There we go. Take a look at that. Green bubbles inside there now, floating above the water. So carbon dioxide gas is less dense than water. As you see it stuck in there. Ooh. Water on the top, oil on top of the water, food coloring, and then carbon dioxide bubbles right inside in between. It's a lot of fun. You should try it out. You can watch it happen right in front of you. I also heard that Pop Rocks might work. If you have Pop Rocks, try that out in case your parents don't have any AlkaSeltzer. But also, you can also just use the water and the oil and the food coloring, and then close it up and shake it up and watch it separate. It looks really neat when it mixes together and separates and turns different colors. Whoa! Now it's really going. Look at that. All right, friends, I hope you liked today's video. Try it out at home. And don't forget, tell me shoot a video. I want to see what you're doing. Tell me what's less dense, oil or water, and what's happening to the carbon dioxide gas. Where is it? Okay. And then what else? What else I'd say? I think that's it. Oh, Friday, I'll see you at Zoom. Kindergarten, TK, 12 o'clock. First grade, 1 o'clock. Second grade at 2. All right, friends, I'll see you. Thanks for watching. Bye.